Hi, welcome to this course on MySQL. Today we shall be beginning with installation of MySQL. Now, in order to get started with this, in this particular program, in this particular course, I shall be teaching you MySQL. And MySQL is nothing but it uses SQL queries. We'll learn about what is a SQL query, which is basically structured query language. We'll learn about a lot of things in the upcoming videos. Let's get started with the installation part. So in order to install MySQL, you have to install two things. One is going to be MySQL Workbench and one is going to be MySQL Installer. You just have to use the same keywords, search it on the web. You will definitely get the link on the first link itself. Follow the steps and install it. Do remember, you have to do it sequentially. You have to first install MySQL Workbench. Once that is done, you have to install MySQL Installer. While installing MySQL Installer, you will be also asked for a root username and password. So you can set your password, but don't forget it because that is the password which you will be using to connect to the local instance of the database. So I hope you can install it by yourself. In case you don't install it or find any difficulties, there will be ample amount of videos and blogs or support. You can just go through that and try to help out yourself. Now, moving on to the next topic, which is going to be database. Now, before getting started with what exactly is SQL, what exactly is the different types of SQL, MySQL, Oracle SQL, we have to understand why are we learning this? Why are we learning this course? Because we have to deal with a data, right? And data is stored in a database. So a database is something which is basically an organized collection of data stored in an electronic format. You're storing something in your purse, that is a database for your money. You're storing something, let's say you have a file system, you're storing some of the files, that is also a database. Oracle SQL, MySQL. So there are a lot of databases. There are SQL databases, there are no SQL databases, but anywhere you preserve your data or store your data, that is basically called as database. You can see how the data is flowing to the database. A system software for creating and managing database is called as a database management system, which is called as DMS, or people call it as DBMS. So DBMS, what is DBMS? DBMS full form is database management system, a system software for creating and managing databases. You can see this is a database and it is getting translated to a DBMS format, database management system. Okay. So database architecture is overally of two types. One is going to be your file server and one is going to be your client server. So we shall be learning each one of them in the next video. Thank you.